The 5 best crypto apps for beginners in the USA. Getting into crypto can feel overwhelming at first. There's new lingo, wild price swings, and a constant flow of news. But with the right app, you can learn the ropes, trade safely, and even start investing with just a few dollars. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best crypto apps for beginners in the USA. These platforms are beginner-friendly, secure, and perfect for building your confidence in the world of digital currency. Let's go from number 5 to number 1 and stick around, because our top pick makes crypto feel as easy as checking your email. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Crypto investments carry risk. Always do your own research and invest responsibly. 5COA Crypto.com. Starting us off at number 5 is Crypto.com, a fast-growing platform with a sleek app and solid features for newcomers. Here's what makes it beginner-friendly. Simple buy, sell interface. Support for over 250 cryptocurrencies. Earn up to 14.5% interest on crypto through staking. Cashback rewards with a Crypto.com Visa card. The app also includes learning modules, price alerts, and a flexible portfolio tracker. While it has a lot of features, everything is well organized, perfect for beginners who want to explore beyond just trading. It's ideal if you're also interested in crypto credit cards or passive income options. 4H. Public. At number 4 is Public, a newer entrant to the crypto world, but one that's designed specifically for education and ease. Public started as a stock investing app, but now lets users buy over 25 top cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. What makes it unique? No complex trading screens, built-in social feed with expert commentary, clear explanations for each coin and market update. There are no advanced charts, no technical analysis, just clean, simple investing. That's what makes Public ideal for absolute beginners who want to understand what they're buying, not just follow hype. 3IS. eToro. Coming in at number 3 is eToro, a platform that combines crypto investing with a powerful social trading experience. Key features include buying major cryptocurrencies with low minimums, Copy Trader, which lets you mirror top investors, virtual trading with $100,000 demo account, beginner-friendly educational content. eToro also lets you diversify beyond crypto by investing in stocks and ETFs, all from the same app. It's perfect if you want to watch how pros invest, test strategies, and gradually build confidence without risking real money at the start. 2Dre. Coinbase. At number 2 is Coinbase, arguably the most famous crypto platform in the US and one of the easiest to use. Coinbase offers support for 100 plus cryptocurrencies, clean, intuitive app design, educational videos that earn you free crypto, easy deposits via bank account, debit card, or PayPal. Everything is designed with beginners in mind. You don't need to understand blockchain tech or wallets, just open the app, tap buy, and you're in. Coinbase also includes vault features, price alerts, and a basic wallet for more control if you want to go deeper later. 1Geo. Gemini. And taking the number 1 spot is Gemini, a beginner-friendly crypto app that combines security, simplicity, and education. Here's why Gemini stands out. Regulated in the US with strong security and FDIC insurance on USD balances. A clean interface that's great for first-time buyers. A learn and earn program that rewards you with crypto for watching tutorials. Access to Gemini Earn, letting you earn interest on your holdings. Gemini also offers a separate active trader mode if you want to level up your skills later so it grows with you. For beginners who value trust, clarity, and a US-based platform, Gemini is the best all-around crypto app to start your journey. So which app should you start with? Choose Crypto.com for a feature-rich platform and staking rewards. Try Public if you want clean explanations and social learning. Use eToro to copy experienced traders and practice with virtual money. Go with Coinbase for a fast, smooth onboarding experience. And for a secure, US-regulated app with real education, Gemini is your go-to. Are you just getting into crypto? Which app are you using, or which one caught your attention today? Let us know in the comments. And if this video helped you understand the crypto world a little better, give it a like. Always invest only what you can afford to lose. Crypto is volatile. Stay informed, stay secure, and take it one step at a time.